Hi there, Gary here at Restore Solutions. Well, I want to talk to you about one of our training workshops. Now, this training workshop is about mold remediation and investigation. So, would you like to learn more about mold? Would you like to learn more about how to investigate mold? And would you like more to know about a safer way to remediate mold for you and your technicians, which is the lowest labour technique in the world? Very low labour. So, why don't you come and listen to our 4-hour workshop. Now we have a guest instructor coming, Jay Raval, who is a qualified occupational hygienist. So he's coming along as well, and he's going to be talking about mold investigation. So come and check it out. It's going to be at the Coach 8 training centre. It's Flood House. It's the best training centre in Australia. So come and check that out. We're a big supporter of Coach 8. And it's $99, and you get a $99 voucher of any of our mold remediation products. So we're going to be talking about the safety and about respirators. We're going to be talking about how to clean effectively. So it's a great toolbox for you and your technicians. Come and check it out. We can't wait to see you there. 2 hours of theory, there'll be some bit of practical in there as well. And then, we'll do some afternoon tea, and then we're going to do some pizza at the end, bit of networking. So can't wait to see you there. Book in now and secure your spot. Thanks for watching.